Right now I'm currently running build 7000 beta of Windows 7, gig of RAM, 128 megs of video memory. Everything is enabled. Now let's take a look at Ubuntu. Same exact thing, right? Well, with Ubuntu I get full connectivity to my internet. It piggybacks off of Airport, and it also has full audio drivers. That's not to say the same for Windows 7. Windows 7, no audio devices installed, and basically it's not finding a properly installed wireless network adapter. Now, I'm trying to figure out why this is happening, because I've seen it work. For those of you on my list who are familiar with Blind Cool Tech, Rick Harmon, I believe, did a demonstration of Windows 7. And, you see, if you're going to do a demonstration on that particular website, then you have to be familiar with a screen reader, because your user base, they use screen readers. They use speech output. Speech output equals sound. You have to have your sound working. So they got the sound working in Windows 7 out of the box. And what was interesting was to see JAWS working out of the box. I want to try that. But the issue here, like I said, no audio drivers, and no network adapter. Now, I do understand that this is a beta, which is why I'm about to ask this question. Has there been an update to this, and if so, how do I get it? But without having to connect to the internet. Basically, do I have to reinstall Windows 7 in that case, or can I just run it as an external file? How would I do that? I think I have the clipboard shared between Windows 7 as well as all my Linux distributions and my Mac. So I don't know what to do about that. Beyond that issue, I haven't had any major problems with 7. Start menu is the same as it is in Vista, and the wonderful thing about that is, you notice up here at the top everything looks big. That's because of the system magnifier, and let me show you how I got to that. Ease of Access Center. We'll go ahead and open this up. Now, at this point, the computer would start reading the stuff to you. Okay, that's another clue. You know, like I said, there are no audio drivers installed, but if I had not shown that to you, this would have been a clue, especially if I activate Narrator here. Narrator is the screen reader that's built into Windows. And for those of you who are familiar with Microsoft SAM, the new voice is Microsoft Anna. It's a lot better. But as I said earlier, no audio drivers means that Narrator just cannot function at all. See, we have Narrator active. Let me just bring that into focus. See, we have Narrator active, yet we don't get any sound. Like I said, no audio drivers installed, and we can't get to the internet because there are no network adapters installed. Basically, you cannot display the web page, and it's just, you know, those are the only two things that are wrong with it, though. So, does anybody know anything about this? I'm running it in VirtualBox. I don't want to use any... This is the only emulator that's open source and free. If you insist... If somebody insists that I move to another emulator, then I'll do it. My birthday's coming up, so I might put it on my birthday list. But that's only if I absolutely have to, because I'm quite happy, to be honest, with VirtualBox. I haven't run into a problem with Linux. This is the only thing I've run into a problem with. I'm assuming this is going to be fixed, but that's why I'm asking if there's an update. So if anybody could give me any information on that. Again, like I said, we have no audio device installed, and we have... Let me just bring this window into focus here. And we have no... Like I said, no audio device and no network adapter installed. So, help. Thank you everybody for watching. I apologize if I ran a bit of a broken record type of thing. I just wanted to get this out. If anybody knows anything about this, let me know. Other than these two shortcomings, however, once I get online and once I get the sound working, I need to tell you that I'm actually quite impressed with Windows 7. I like it a lot. It's faster than Vista. It seems to be, at least from my experience so far, more stable. I have not run into any problems thus far, but again, that's just because I don't have any internet access, and I haven't really been able to truly test it yet. So, yeah, if anybody could help me get around my problems, that would be appreciated. Thank you for watching. If you have any Windows 7 input, let me know. Thank you for watching, and have a nice evening.